Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we'll introduce two key features, the combine and ungroup functions, which help you manage multiple parts of a design more effectively. These tools are essential for ensuring precise layout control, especially when working with complex designs like vehicle wraps. Combine function. The combine function allows you to group selected shapes into a single unbreakable unit, ensuring that their relative positions remain unchanged during movement or when using features like supernesting. For example, car door handles are often grouped with the door, so when you move or reposition them, they stay together. Let's go over how to use the combine function. 1. Position the parts that you want to combine in the correct location. 2. Click and hold the left mouse button to select all the parts you want to group. 3. Click the Combine function, and now the selected parts are combined into one unit. From this point, any movement or layout adjustments will treat them as a single entity. This feature is also useful when you need to combine smaller parts with larger components. For example, you might want to place a radar hole within a rear quarter panel and make sure it stays there during layout changes. Ungroup function. The ungroup function does the opposite of combine. If a set of parts has been grouped, but you want to move or edit one part independently, you can ungroup them. Here's how to use the ungroup function. 1. Select the grouped parts by clicking on them. 2. Click the ungroup function to separate the parts. 3. Click anywhere on the blank space to deselect the group. Now you can move or modify each part individually as needed. This function is also useful for material optimization. For example, if you're cutting material for a car roof and want to fill the space where a sunroof would be, you can ungroup smaller parts, place them within the sunroof space, and then combine them again to ensure efficient material use. This technique can save a lot of material and open up more advanced layout strategies. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the combine and ungroup functions. These features offer more control over your designs, helping you improve efficiency and precision. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more advanced tips with XXOTO software.